Hey everyone, so long time no heard anything from me and you didn't saw my any tutorials and so on. So I'm just was learning myself. I was learning everything from basics to deep learning and so on, and I was not sure what to do, what to make next tutorials and so on. And I thought, well, it would be nice to create tutorials where you could learn everything step by step, from basics to deep learning to convolutional neural networks and so on. So because if you would like to create some kind of complex network or model, so you should to know the basics, and you know why it works in this way or another way. There's no choice. If you would like to learn machine learning, you should know the basics, how it works, and everything from that. So I decided that I'll try to make tutorials, step-by-step tutorials from most basics, and I will be doing every tutorial will be something new. So you will learn everything from basics, and well, I'll just introduce everything in these few slides, in this short tutorial slides, and we'll see. So at first, I'll be making step-by-step basic logistic regression tutorials, and then with this tutorial, you'll learn how to build your first architecture of learning algorithm, and then I'll teach you how to prepare and initialize parameters you would like to teach. We'll build forward and backward propagation functions, and of course we'll learn how to compute a cost function and its gradients. So you'll understand the logic of learning algorithms, and why do they learn and how do they do that. So then I'll make a step-by-step neural networks tutorial. We'll build, train, and apply fully connected neural networks. You will learn how to implement efficient vectorized neural networks. You'll understand the key parameters in the neural networks architecture, what makes it better or worse, and so on. So at this point, you'll be able to apply deep learning to your own application. So next, I'll make a step-by-step deep neural networks. So there is more inside layers. So in these tutorials, we will learn how to get deep learning to work well. And rather than deep learning process being a black box, you will understand what drives performance, and you will be able to more systematically get good results. Then with this tutorial, we will learn effectively how to use common neural network tricks, and including parameters initialization, dropout regularization, batch normalization, and gradient checking. So we will learn how to implement and apply a variety of optimization algorithms, such as mini-batch gradient descent, momentum, RMS prop, and Adam optimizer. And then I will making a deep learning complex model. You will understand a complex machine learning settings and what means surpassing human level performance using deep learning. We'll learn how to apply end-to-end learning, transfer learning, and multitask learning. And I will do this on TensorFlow, and I will show you the platform, why we use it. And as I told, we'll apply a transfer learning. So next we'll make a convolutional neural networks tutorial series. In these tutorials, you understand how to build a convolutional neural network, including recent variations such as residual networks. We will learn how to apply convolutional networks to visual detection and recognition tasks. We'll learn how to use a neural style transfer to generate art from different images, videos, or so on. We will learn how to apply these algorithms to variety of images, videos, or other 2D or 3D data. So moving forward, I will make another recurrent neural networks tutorial series. So in these tutorials, we'll learn how to build and train recurrent neural networks and commonly used variants such as LSTMs and GRUs. We'll learn how to solve natural language problems, including text synthesis. We'll learn how to apply sequence models to audio applications, including speech recognition and music synthesis. So this is only a short introduction of what I'm going to do, and you might ask why I'm doing this. So this is a simple answer to learn and teach machine learning from basics. So when I'm teaching other, I'm learning myself. It's like a motivation and so on. And other reason is to understand and create machine learning models for complex tasks. If you learn and understand everything from basics, you know how these models work, what you need to change to improve them, and what architecture you should try, and so on, if you would like to solve a complex task. And what's the main reason why when you don't know basics, you move forward very slowly? So for example, it's better to spend few months of learning everything from basics, at least to know, seen something or heard something, so that you could do something. If you straightforwardly start with something like convolutional neural networks, you don't know how it works. You just try it, you give it a picture or something, but you don't know how to optimize this model, how to make it work faster, how to increase accuracy, and so on. So this is a simple example. If you want to try to implement a time series model, well, it's very difficult. And if you don't know basics, you won't be able to apply the certain tasks to your complex task. So this is only the main reasons why I'm planning to do this series, and I know that this will take a lot of time because I would like to make these tutorials that there should be no questions when you're learning, so that you could learn everything. Just watch, try, and you know how it works, and this would be step by step. And of course, I'll try to do this as much as possible in practice. And while doing the practice, I'll try to explain why we are doing one thing and not another thing, how it works, and so on. So that's it for my introduction, and we'll see when I'll start doing these videos. I'll start them in a week or two, because I also need to make a plan where to begin and what every video will be included, because with this I can skip some steps and then I couldn't do it as good as possible. So that's it for this my introduction series, and you know what to do. You can smash up the likes button and subscribe my channel. Well, then you won't skip my tutorials and you can learn together with me. So thank you all for watching, good luck, and let's see in next first hour learning video. Thank you all for watching, goodbye.